Okay, so we cleaned and cambered this sewer here in St. Paul. We're at the city right now. There were plenty of roots in this sewer. The whole thing isn't very long, but there were roots consistent throughout the whole pipe and every joint. So they were close to a backup. Luckily that didn't happen. The access here is a backflow valve in the bedroom, downstairs bedroom. There's a repair done at the 4-inch. So here's the 4x6 here at 25 feet. That's where most of the roots were. It was very thick through there, but got them all cleaned out there. So 25 feet from the backflow valve is where the repair ends. And this is PVC through here. You can see it drops down at a significant clip right through there. Probably why it wasn't ever getting back up to this backflow valve, because it has such a big pitch right here, so it had plenty of head pressure on it. And then it's back into cast through here, back into the house, and then out through the backflow valve.